The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus, in our opinion, the best drone alternative in 2025. This drone is designed for the most demanding tasks and includes an impressive 6K camera with 50 MP that redefines the sharpness and quality of every image captured. But it's not just the resolution that stands out. The autonomous flight modes, combined with advanced obstacle detection, ensure a safe and optimized flight experience. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a drone that combines robustness and advanced technology, allowing up to 40 minutes of continuous flight, and with a high-quality camera with 6K video and adjustable aperture. A special feature is the intelligent moonlight algorithm that delivers sharp images even in low light conditions. Also, the defog mode offers clarity in foggy or smoky environments. This model makes it easy to capture creative images with a 90-degree adjustable camera and HDR mode, and also has features such as dynamic tracking and the ability to automatically track people, animals, or vehicles. The foldable drone is capable of flying for about 40 minutes on a single charge and has three-way obstacle sensors to avoid mid-air accidents. The 6K camera is solid, although we wish we could customize the video profile more, as only a flat mode is available. The Lite Plus has obstacle detection sensors on the front, rear, and under the hull, as well as a micro SD card slot under a small protective cover on the left and a USB-C port on the right. The range is 12 kilometers for FCC-compliant countries and 6 kilometers for CE-compliant countries. Finally, the Autel Sky app offers a complete interface with all the functions and flight information you need. Thumbs up